and I'm talking about how to prepare a low-calorie, delicious fruit salad. Okay, so we're actually going to prepare to serve the delicious low-calorie fruit salad. So basically, a serving per person. If you're talking about regular small servings, we're going to do 1 cup per person. So we're going to dish it out and put it in the measuring cup. And you can heap it over, that's fine. Okay, once you've measured it, now you want to add it to the dessert bowl or cup, whatever you're using. And as you can see, the whipped cream actually mixed itself in there